How to measure proportions in portrait drawing. Draw a center line of face. Mark length of face from head to chin. Divide the line into 2 equal parts. Center of this will be eye line. Divide this section into 3 equal parts. This line will be hairline. From hairline to chin will be face. Divide this in 3 equal parts. This line will be eyebrow line. Here 1/3 will be mouth line, and this will be nose line. Length from eye line to nose line will be same as center line of face to ends of eyes outside. Now divide this eye line into 3 equal parts. The space between the both eyes is same as the length of an eye. Inner corners of eyes give measurement of nose. Pupil will be at the center of both the eyes. Now draw the shapes. Inner corner of iris gives measurement of mouth. Jawline present at horizontal of mouth line. Eyebrow line and nose line gives measurement of ears. Drawing face line. Add details. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, do subscribe this channel.